My name is Rock, and this is Sunday Weigh-Ins. Alright guys, this is Sunday, so this is the weigh-in day. So let's see how I did this week. I think last week I was at 320.6 or something like that. So let's see. There we go. So 318. So about 2.5 pounds. So pretty happy. It slowed down a little bit from the 5 pounds from the previous weeks. That was to be expected. So it's pretty good. I just gotta keep going on like this, and one week at a time. All right. So on to the topic for this week, which is a quick recipe, which I'll show you in the next clip. Alright guys, welcome back. Today I just thought about doing a quick, easy, healthy dinner. So it's going to be garlic shrimp on a bed of cooked spinach with a few spices, a little bit of lemon, and yeah, here we go. Alright, first things first. This pan is about mid-heat. And again, this recipe I found on YouTube, and I'll have the link to the original video. All credits go to that person. So we get 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're gonna start with the spinach first, real quick. It's really, really easy. If I can do it, trust me, it's gotta be easy. So spinach, there we go. It's the entire box. It looks huge at first, but it's gonna wilt down, you know. So there we go. All of it goes in it real quick. And I forgot one step, which is to add the garlic. So I'll wait till it cooks down a little bit, and I'll add it after. No biggie. Just try to turn it around a little bit to coat it with the oil. Alright, I got enough room, so I'll do the garlic, which I forgot at first. I'm using pre-crushed garlic because I'm lazy, of course. So it's a good batch of garlic. I don't know, big spoonful. A little bit of salt on there, pepper, alright, so I don't know if you can see, I can bring the camera a little bit closer. It's already gone down to this, so yeah, oops, oh no, I steamed the camera. Alright. It is pretty much alright already, so I'll just put it on the side. I already have my shrimp here, which are already strained. Just empty this out a little bit. So, next pan, olive oil again, a little bit. They're saying 2 tablespoons, I'll go, I don't know, 2 small. Garlic again. So a little bit of salt on that, and we're gonna spice it up with some ground chili peppers, and that's as much as you want it. I'll put quite a bit, so I think we can go ahead. And in that, so I'm gonna add the shrimp to this, and it's gonna take like 3 minutes. As soon as it gets opaque and non-transparent, it's gonna be ready. And to that, when it's ready, I'm gonna add some fresh parsley, which I chopped up in my little handy dandy device. So I think it's a Starfrit. And I'm gonna add some lemon zest and a little bit of lemon juice, and that's it. Shrimp. There we go. I don't know if you can see quite good. I can bring it a little bit closer. It's not easy with one hand. And by the way, what I'll do for this recipe is I'll keep everything that, because everything in this recipe pretty much came in a bag, so I'll keep every bag and I'll show you later how to add it and create a recipe and lose it. If somebody's interested, you can do pretty much the same thing in any software similar. And as for calories, usually I would say I would do 2 portions with this, but today I went to the gym, so I can do 1 portion with this. And as you'll see when I do the recipe in the software, I'll split it in 2 portions, which is probably what I'm going to use the most time later on. And I'll just, when I input my food, I'll just say that I ate 2 portions, so it's easier for the next time when I really do eat just 1 portion. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. A little bit more salt and pepper, not too much. Bad for you, it's good for the taste. A little bit pepper, why not? So that's pretty decent. So at this point, we'll add the parsley. There we go. That's quite a bit. Alright, at this point, it's already good. Bunch them up together a little bit. And then a little bit of zest. There we go. A little bit of zest. Woo! Oh no! And a little bit of juice. Yeah. And that's pretty much it, guys. And you could add anything you want to this. I could see mushrooms in this. I could see mushrooms in anything though. Alright, it looks good enough. Get the spinach. There, shrimp on top of it. This is what it looks like up close. Pretty damn easy. Alright guys, this is just a quick update on the recipe that I did last night, the garlic shrimp. So I just wanted to show you as fast as possible how easy it is to enter that recipe into my software. Well, it's not mine, but the one that I use, which is Lose It, like I said a million times before. So yeah, the softwares are all pretty much the same. Let's just go into it. Alright, so here's the interface. I hope you can see it. And if you go in it, you can go to, you click on Me, which is your account. Here at the bottom, you go to Foods, into Recipes, and you click the plus to create a new one. You name it. So garlic shrimp. You save, and then it asks you to add some food. So you hit that plus, and you can choose from many different foods, and you can enter some text and it'll find what you're looking for, or you can scan the barcode. So that's what I'm gonna do here, because this one is pretty easy. Everything came from a bag or a box, you know. So first things first, I'll scan the shrimp. Yeah, 31 pieces. So there we go. Save that, add that, go on to the next one. Entire box is 312 grams. It's only 80 calories. Add that. Garlic I added about 3 tablespoons. It's 135 calories. olive oil. So I added about 3 tablespoons combined with the from the spinach and cooking the shrimp. So that's 355 calories. So that's a lot for just for oil. And last thing is the ground chili peppers. That's not anything much, but add that and you click done. And you tell it how many servings that you think you're gonna use from that. So I put it at 2 servings, and yesterday for dinner I thought I would eat 2 of the servings because I had gone to the gym, but I got full, so I ate about 1.5 or something, 1.25. So you can just tell it the software how many servings you ate, and it'll figure out the calories. So after that, when you log it, you can see in the dinner, I don't know if you can see it, it's 408 calories for 1 serving. I had already added before. Yeah, so that's it. So the next time you can just add that recipe. It stays on the phone in the software, and you can just add that recipe straight up. You don't have to do anything. You just tell it how many portions you ate, and that's it. That's all. And one nice thing as the software does is, since you have the ingredients in the recipe, if you can't find it in your recipe book or something, if you found it on the net, it's on your phone. So you just have to go in the phone, look at it. You have the amounts for everything. So yeah, it's pretty quick. So yeah, that's it for that, and that'll be it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the content. And if you do like the content, please hit the subscribe button and the like button at the bottom of the video, which will help me quite a bit with the channel. Thank you very much, and see you next week.